Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, and today I'm going to show you how to introduce yourself using Colossyan. So I'm going to go into Instant Avatar, going to record a video. Click on that, and then here I need to accept these. Going to accept that, and I'm going to go into record. Allow that. Hi there. So now I have my instant avatar and my default voice. I can create a custom voice, okay, by recording now. So let me do that now. Hi there. Okay, save clone voice. And now I can save both. I have an avatar and a voice. So let me save that. And here it is. Almost ready. Draft is always a draft. Please don't remove it because you'll need it if you want to make changes. And if you remove it, you won't be able to make changes on the published one.
This is a sample script for your new instant avatar.
We want to use it. Right, so now we are going to go into create video this time and choose our avatar, new avatar, and the one we used. And great. There we are. And now we've got our script. Everything's ready, right? So all we need to do now is generate this. And then we'll be notified by email, of course. There it is. You can see it happening. Also copy and invite link. Notice it's absolutely amazing. I'm very pleased. Looking forward to seeing your introductions using Colossyan.